Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you guys are having a good day. We are gonna go back here and I'm gonna show you guys the goats. We'll look for eggs. Sometimes we get eggs from the chickens. Sometimes we don't. So we'll go back there and look at the goats and check for eggs. Hey guys, we're back here with the goats now. I'm gonna show you, we have 2 goats at the time right now. We have a doe and a wether. This is my doe. Come on. This is my doe. This is Tatum. We've had her for like 5 years now. And then this is our wether. His name is Brownie. We've had him only for a couple months after we lost our buck to a sickness. So yep, we will be breeding her this fall, late fall, around November. Hopefully we'll get some kids out of her, and yeah. So these are our only 2 goats right now. And then we're gonna go over here and look for eggs from the chickens. I don't know if they have been laying. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So we will go over here. Looks like we don't have any eggs right now, but we can go look at the donkey, Willow. We can go over here and look at her. Can't see her right now. I'm not gonna go in there because it's really muddy, but she's over there way behind her hay bale. She keeps peeking back, but she won't come over here right now. Yeah, and here, I'll show you some of the chickens that are running around back here in the donkey pen. Here they are. There's one. And there's a couple more over there. Now I will show you guys the rabbit. She's over here. Here she is. This is Flopsy. She is I think 8 months old now. She is half Holland Lop and half New Zealand. So yeah, she's pretty friendly. She just runs around here. Yep, so guys, you can go down there, like, subscribe, ring the notification.